In this video, we will learn how to create an app registration and use it to log in. Click on Sign In, select Permissions Overview to see all the permissions you need. Now go to the Azure portal and register an application. In my case, I will just call it Intune Offboarding. Go to the API permissions, click Add a permission, select Microsoft Graph, and finally select Delegated Permissions. Add the same API permissions that I did. You can just copy and paste them from the permissions overview. If you want, you can set fewer permissions, but be aware that this will cause IntuneOffboarding.com to not work properly. Once you have added all the necessary permissions, you will need to grant admin permissions for your tenant. The status of each permission should say Granted. Now copy the tenant ID. You can find it in the overview of the newly created app registration. Go to IntuneOffboarding.com and paste it there like I do. Do the same for the client ID. Finally, you will also need a secret, which you will need to create for your app. Now click on Sign in with app registration. To verify your sign-in, you can compare the tenant ID in IntuneOffboarding.com and in your app registration. If you are interested and you want to get started, visit IntuneOffboarding.com. To stay informed about updates to IntuneOffboarding.com or to learn about new scripts and tools as they're released, consider adding your email to my mailing list.